Hello, Paul.
Hey BuildForce. Hey guys, welcome to another build meet. We're doing a bit of a build meet recap video.
It's been a while since we filmed that.
It's been too long since we've done it, but this has always been a great kind of platform for us to kind of announce cool stuff. And one of the things that we've been wanting to talk about for a long time is Jeff's display case.
Yay!
And I call it Jeff's display
our
case.
Display case. The
Gunpla
Gunpla
it is the Gunpla SA one, but I always call it Jeff's one just because of how much work you've put into it, dude, and how you designed it and everything, and it's really great. And what we want to talk about is a lot about what's going on inside. So we got all these really, really amazing kits. Some are Jeff's, some are mine, and some of them belong to the BuildForce.
Yes.
Yeah. So, wow, dude, nice paint job on this. Anyway, carrying on. Yeah, so we got this section here which is dedicated to the BuildForce. And we even got, I think this wing verquet is somebody's.
Oh, it's my brother's.
Oh, is it your brother's one?
It's a hand-me-down.
Okay, because I haven't seen it yet. So I really want one now. More than I wanted one before.
Hopefully one day I'll get to paint it for him.
And that was well, there you go, man. So yeah, so guys, so this kind of like ties into the, we want you guys to bring some of your kits because Rage is happening. Yes. So let us know if you want your kits featured and displayed.
The corner, eh?
Yeah, so we're gonna.
Guys, you've got 1 month in advance to decide if you can trust us with your kits.
Exactly. But they will live in this display case, and it was super safe during the convention. We're also we're busy prototyping something called our Build Zone. It's Build Zone version 2. So yeah, so there's going to be, I'm going to talk to you more about that in other videos because we can't give away too much yet because we're still waiting for things to finalize.
Yes,
Okay, sweet. That said, we're just going to go for a product walkthrough.
And one last thing, I just want to give a special shout out to Future Factory that helped us, laser cut some of the parts. Well, not some, all the parts.
All of the parts. Yeah, I mean, check how nicely our logo came through. Very, very happy with our branding. Yeah. It just looks so good.
Yeah, you guys just rock, man.
Yeah.
Anyway.
And also, Madworks.
Shout out. All the scribers are here.
And the sanding sponge set and all that good stuff.
The guys love it.
Just excited, just in case you guys didn't watch the video or whatever, we got Madworks stuff and it's crazy cool. Okay. Yeah. Gundam.
And then let's give some shout outs to the BuildForce. Thank you, guys.
BuildForce. Yeah, what's up? So, guys, hello. They all signed releases. So yeah, I mean that's about as much enthusiasm as we're going to get from the guys building kits because they're building kits. We're busy doing stuff. Yeah, except for Mike, he's fist bumping.
Well, about 2 hours.
So I know I'm going to trigger some viewers with this.
Trypophobia warning.
Yeah, trypophobia. So check out how so nasty.
So what is this? Show us on the box or manual.
So check this out. This is the Evangelion Artpla kit. So it's a fixed pose kit, and it's all separated like that. Yeah.
So for people that's like familiar with miniature, like Warhammers and stuff, it's something like that.
Yeah, it's a fixed pose kit.
It's quite a big kit, eh?
And it's great because what I love about this is normally if you want this kind of thing, you have to go resin, and resin can be very expensive, and it's difficult for people to import, and resin comes in like warped sometimes. Okay, to be fair, resin has got its pros, but I mostly hate resin. So for me to like have this cool, well-sculpted plastic kit that requires glue, it requires building and painting.
So this is like, I'm very excited to see this on a paint stream.
Yes, so that's so that's a little bit of a pre-hype. So for my next build stream, it's going to be a paint stream.
Yes.
So I'm going to finish assembling as much as I can here, bring it into subsections, paint it out, do my priming and my zenithal, and then we're going to put it onto the show and do our thing. And we're not going to like interview guys because we're not going to bug them. We're just going to go for a bit of a walkthrough, check what's happening. Sweet. Oh, cool pose for your Keyblade, dude.
Yeah, I've never seen a pose like that.
But it's cool. I dig it. Yeah, like just don't. They didn't sign a release.
Oh. Are you talking about the fake X here?
Don't do that. That's so mean. No, I think it's a great.
That's a quirk about it.
I think it's cool, man. Like I wish I could. Well, I was always trying to build Gundam and stuff like that with Lego when I was a kid, but we never had like enough pieces, And then we got more stuff going on. This gent here is a new builder. Oh, cool! You're building the fifth. Very cool. Hey, full cloth crossbone.
Oh my god.
Very nice.
Look at my shame.
Sorry, man. Like, don't feel bad. We're not here to try and show off like that it's good or bad. It's just I really love the kit. And oh, cool. Also,
Yeah, the Zeta Plus.
A1, yeah, A1
Yeah.
plus A1. Yeah, so like really, really love this kit. I've actually done quite a lot of mods to mine. I should paint mine. I know that. It's the story of my life. I should paint mine. Sweet. We've got this guy, Space Tessie.
Kelly Bond. Where's your Kelly Bond? Have you finished?
He's put it in the
man,
box.
Why is it in the box? I need to take some photos just now.
It's up there with Gwyneth Paltrow. Spoiler for
Free it
30-year-old
from the
movie.
box. What's your favorite part about this build?
I like it, but
thickness of everything. Like I just want to get like all the parts just feels thicker than normal parts. So the backpack's like really wide as well.
Nice thick
The
butt.
tiny, but the rest makes up for
it's
it.
got booty.
And what do you think about the fin?
Yeah, that's like my favorite part.
Where they mold like the rainbow effect.
Yeah, I just need to add all the other effects underneath it, but I want to paint it first. And then get all the
Yeah, smart man.
Cool, looking
I'm
forward
dying
to it, eh?
I'm dying to build mine, but nobody has voted for me to build mine yet for the.
Because I think
for the
people are
build stream.
Gundammed out, yeah?
I think they just want to see other kits being built for a change, you know, because everybody's like up to date with Gundam more or less. I got an Epion that I might just build sneaky. I don't know. I'll see. Kevin's like rocking some cool Macross stuff, which always makes me happy because I'm a huge Macross fan. And I'm going to steal this from Shemekh quickly. So here's a
Vortex's La Gundam.
Here's a Gundam La that's been built.
Yeah.
So actually, really cool, man. Yeah.
So
like,
they just did some like simple modding to make it look even like more interesting.
Yeah.
I really like the shield.
I just love
It's
that.
actual real punching shield.
Yeah. And I also love that like it's an entry grade, but it's got a lot going for it for an entry grade actually.
But
Anyway,
also not too much going on. Like it's
just right.
like moderate. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, man. And then cool. So that has been our build meet. We keep them chilled. If you
And
guys,
also it was really nice that yesterday was another Cape Town build meet. That was the
yeah,
second
exactly.
one.
It's spreading. So what did I want to say? That's what I wanted to say. So if you guys are interested or keen on building kits or know other people that might be interested in building kits, we do this like pretty much every second Saturday. This one happened to happen on a Sunday, but we do it every second Saturday. And yeah, it's super chill, as you can see. Like we're chill. We just build kits. We're not sitting here going, oh, my kit's better than yours or anything. We're sharing knowledge and all that good stuff. And yeah, and please don't forget to let us know if you want to have your kits showcased at Rage. Because yes, Jeff and I will be at Rage with Gunpla SA. So it's going to be pretty frickin' switched on,
you're
or lit,
looking
as the
forward
kids
to
say,
it.
I think. Sweet. Otherwise, I need to slam something into the camera.
Whose Gundam wants to do the slam?
Okay, guys, so remember, stay
keep-
awesome, stay excellent,
Yes.
and
just keep building.
joy Gundam Labat.